One of the best parts of my job is being able to work with some great teams and some great cars, and this is no different. This car is everything a track car should be. It looks awesome, it sounds awesome, and it's proper wheel-to-wheel racing. You need to check this out.
I'm McLaughlin. I'm from MyRace Websites, and we're a web development agency focused on the racing industry. I've been racing since I was 7 years old when my dad bought me my first motorbike, and from there it's been a downhill slope. We've been racing for 23 years now. We race in the TA2 Muscle Car series. We have a Ford Mustang. The TA2 muscle cars are a tubular space frame chassis, which is a control chassis. All the cars are the same. They have a composite shell, which can be a Mustang, Chev, or Dodge Challenger. They run a McLaren engineering V8 engine, putting out 525 horsepower at 6,500 revs. G-Force 4-speed H-pattern transmission, running 98 octane fuel at 1,250 kilos, including driver. They run a Control Hoosier slick tyre. The TA2 series was always something that we wanted to get into just because of the look and feel of the cars is just incredible. There's nothing like it in Australia. They're a big, powerful car that move around on the tyres and are just heaps of fun to drive.